Hi, my name is Masha Bennett. Today I will show you one of my favorite simple relaxation exercises, which is based on using our senses to help us relax. You can do it anywhere, but please don't do this whilst driving because it can be so relaxing that some people fall asleep when doing this exercise. So I'm going to demonstrate and then I will guide you through it so that you can try it out for yourself. So in order to do this exercise, first of all, I will focus on things I can see around me in this room. It doesn't matter what I can see, whether it's nice, not nice, pretty, not pretty. We just name the things that we can see. So I'm going to name 5 things that I can see in this room. I can see a glass of water, I can see a lamp, I can see a picture, I can see a shelf, and I can see a cushion. The next thing I do is I focus on things I can hear. If you're in a quiet place, you might not hear very many things. It doesn't matter. You can wait for a while until you hear the next sound. You can say, I can hear silence, or you can just skip a part of this exercise and just go on to the next bit. So I will name 5 things that I can hear. I can hear distant traffic. I can hear the sound of the birds in the garden. I can hear a motorbike revving. I can hear water running. I can hear the wind. And I can hear my own breathing. So the next bit is we go on to 5 things that we can feel physically. I can feel my hands touching. I can feel the seat underneath me. I can feel my hair on my neck. I can feel my tongue in my mouth. And I can feel the air through my nostrils. So I've done 5 of each. So the next stage would be naming 4 things that I can see, hear and feel, 3 things I can see, hear and feel, 2 things I can see, hear and feel, and then 1 of each. By the time I get to 1, I might be snoozing already. So I won't do that because I'm recording this video for your information. So I will guide you through this exercise, and if you can do it with me, you will see for yourself just how calming and relaxing this can be. So I will invite you to look around the room you're in and name 5 things that you can see. And each time say, I can see such and such. I will give you a little bit of time to do that. And the next bit, I'd like you to focus on your hearing and name 5 things or up to 5 things that you can hear. And now I'd like you to focus on physical sensations and sense of touch. And I'd like you to name 5 things that you can feel. That's great. So now we're going back to things that you can see. And I'd like you to name 4 things that you can see. It can be the same as last time, and it could be different. It doesn't matter. So name 4 things that you can see each time saying, I can see such and such. And now name 4 or up to 4 things that you can hear. It doesn't matter if they're the same or different from last time. And now name 4 things that you can feel physically. Now going back to vision, name 3 things that you can see, same or different. And 3 things that you can hear. And 3 things that you can feel. Now 2 things that you can see. And 2 things that you can hear. And 2 things that you can feel. And now just 1 of each. See, hear, and feel. If you got this far in the exercise, you may feel a little bit sleepy, maybe tired. Your body might be more relaxed, and your mind is likely to be significantly quieter with less thoughts going round and round. So just as a reminder, please do not use this exercise when driving or when operating any machinery, because it can make you very sleepy. This is a good exercise to use for insomnia. If you have too many thoughts in your mind when you go into bed, you can do that whilst lying in bed. If you can't see very much, you can just use the hear and feel components of the exercise. So please do give it a go and let me know how you get on. So take care and goodbye.